Welcome to the Animals of the Ark. This week, we would like you to meet Zorra. She is around 2 years old and is spayed. She is also up to date on vaccines. A husky is not for everyone. She needs a lot of exercise and stimulation. This is a great time of year to get a husky because she absolutely loves the snow. She is at the shelter because people tie her up and she runs away. She would do best in a fenced-in yard. She has lots of fun and loves to get belly rubs. She should probably be an only pet, but she loves everyone she meets. She looks forward to finding just the right home and getting out of the shelter. So come on down to the Animal Rescue Coalition and meet Zorra today.